Greetings sports fans, welcome back to Edivision TV. I'm your host Eddie Guna, and this is a channel where we look at sports differently. Now, Jamaican forward reggae boy KC Old Boy Dujuan Whisper Richards will link up with the Chelsea first team in America. So, Chelsea will return to the United States as part of their preparations for the 2023-24 season, with Todd Bowley's Blues playing a number of friendly warm-up games in front of an American audience. Having endured a difficult campaign in the 2022-23 season, the Stamford Bridge outfit will be eager to lay solid foundations ahead of the new season under Mauricio Pochettino. Now let's take a look at Chelsea's fixtures in the preseason in America. July 19 up against Wrexham. July 22 they will face Brighton in Philadelphia. July 26 up against Newcastle United in Atlanta, Georgia. July 30th up against Fulham. And Chelsea's last game will be at Soldier Field in Chicago against Borussia Dortmund. Now Chelsea has named a 29-man squad to travel to USA, and our very own Dujuan Whisper Richards made that 29-man list. And I must say kudos to Chelsea fan and YouTuber Dre Anywhere Sports. He brought this to my attention with his post on IG. So, he's always tracking Chelsea players. And, he's a Jamaican, so obviously you'll be looking at Dujuan Whisper Richards keenly. So, big up to Dre Anywhere Sports YouTube. Alright, in terms of the forward line, as you can see here, Richards is on that list alongside newcomer or January signing Magic. We have our very own Jamaican as well, Raheem Sterling in the mix. Youngsters like Jackson and Kunko. Richards is there. And as you can see, it's saying training only. He's yet to reach 18 years old. So he's still a trainee per se. So he's there with the team to train and get experience with this first team of Chelsea. Now this is a big step for young Richards. Linking up with the first team is always good. It's always a good opportunity for him to learn and to adapt to English football. Adapt to the systems, the formation, and how Chelsea would want to play. So it will be a good couple of weeks with the team, and we hope that Richards will train hard and do well. Raise eyebrows. Make the coach want to select him going forward. Now, as it relates to going forward, we heard that he would be in the first team. This is not yet proof of that, because it's just preseason and the coach will bring players he want to look at. It doesn't mean that these players will be in the setup for him in the season or in the Premier League squad. Right? At the end of preseason, the coach will be required to submit players for the Premier League. So that's the next step. If young Richards can make that list, then you will see that yes, he's officially a first team player. So we're still holding our fingers crossed for Richards. We'd love for him to be in that first team. Not in and around it, but be in it. Right? So again, making the preseason squad does not mean 100% that he's in the first team. Right? Players all the while will train with the first team. That's something that we've seen in football for years. Players go on preseason and then at the beginning of the season, they're loaned out or sold. So anything is possible. And we hope this is not the case. We hope that Whisper can remain at Chelsea and be in the first team. But all in all, I want to big up the Phoenix camp, big up the KC camp, you know, big up Whisper's father, big up everybody responsible with his development. Another milestone, another big step for the youngster. And what you guys think about this? Are you happy that Whisper is with the Chelsea first team on tour in the US? Do you think that he will be able to hold down a spot in this first team for Chelsea? A lot of competition. Chelsea selling players and will look to bring in players as well to reinforce the team. So let's hope that there will be space in the inn, so to speak, for Whisper at the start of the season. So fans, drop those comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about what I said. And you know, give your encouragement to young Whisper Richards. This is Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching. Always remember, like, share, and subscribe.
This is Owen Hill from PFJL, CEO of Professional Football Jamaica Limited, home of the Jamaica Premier League, the Gold Cup, and the El Clasicos. You're watching Eddie Vision. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. The baddest thing around town.